Picking up where we left off. So far, Casey, Mrs. Anderson, I should say that, right? Has transferred the top mostly into that new top box. We've got a bunch of drone brood attached to the wall. We're going to leave that. We're not going to transfer that because they have mites. Just checking these. This is where the brood nest really looks like it's starting to form. With a lot of brood and a lot of nectar. Oh, wait, hold that one up. And you can see right there, come on. There's a couple of that haven't been capped. They have little bugs in them. And I'm gonna get the smoker again so nobody gets stung. There we go. All right, almost done. All right.
Very good.
What'd you think of that?
I think that was pretty awesome. Look at all those bees in there. You can see how crazy it must be to be in there with them and moving them around. Pretty
Crazy.
fun experience though.
All right, cool.